How to take your puffer with a mouthpiece spacer. Step 1. Get the puffer and spacer ready. Ensure that the spacer is clean and dry. Take the cap off the puffer and shake it 5 times. Now insert it into the spacer and open the cover. Gently breathe out. Step 2. Put the mouthpiece spacer in your mouth. Put the mouthpiece in your mouth between your teeth and make sure your tongue is flat. Close your lips around it. Step 3. Give the medicine. Hold the puffer with a finger on top of the metal canister and your thumb on the bottom of it. Press the inhaler once. The medication will be delivered into the spacer. Take 1 deep breath slowly until your lungs fill up. Hold your breath for 10 seconds if you can. This allows the medication time to deposit in the airways. And step 4, breathe out. Breathe out through your nose if you are able. Repeat steps 1 to 4 when more than 1 puff is prescribed.